Hello everybody, it's Suzanne here with February's Allure Box. Here we go. It got here a little earlier than last month and I'm so excited to see what's in, so let's open it up. All right, my little scissors and I am excited. Here we go. So we've got the write-up of all the products. Good. And then there is a $25 gift for Georgiana. Thank you, Allure Box, Beauty Box. And whoops, this month's is another little bag that appears to be broken. Yep, it is broken. Hello. So this is the second bag that they've sent. They've gotten away from those really pretty red boxes. And these bags, I'm sorry, they're cheap. They don't hold up. Allure, you need to fix this. Okay, here we go. That's going in the trash too. All right, so let's see what we got. We've got from Momande. There we go. See? A Flower Lab Essence Mask. Rose. So it's a sheet mask. Oh, I love these things. Great. Okay. You know what I like them? Because I put these whole things in warm water before I open them up to warm them up a little because I hate cold stuff on my face. So this is fabulous. Okay, right, so a sheet mask. Then, let's see, also from Momande, I don't know, Petal Spa Oil to Foam. Oil to foam. It says, release appropriate amount and roll on the dry face. Gently apply a little bit of water to make a rich lather and massage, wash off. So it's a cleanser. Okay, cool. Let's open this puppy up. Oh, and it smells like rose. Cute little bottle too. Great for travel. I'm going to save this for my travel bag. All right, next is from Allure Beauty. Can you see? Mile High Club Volume and Lengthiness Mascara. Ooh, very nice. Oh, I like these really narrow mascara wands. Perfect. I really like the idea that this is a tube. All right, thank you. Next is, ooh, look at this. From Mally. This is a lip product, Orchid. High Shine Liquid Lip. Ooh, this is beautiful. Love it. Love the color. Oh yeah, I'll be wearing this. I think I'll be putting this right on top of what I have right now. Look at this. This is lovely. It smells good too. Thank you from Mally. Okay, let's wipe this off because, you know, I don't want to get it all over my clothes. And I'm kind of klutzy that way. All right, so put this aside. Then we have another tube. Let's open this up. It is already open. I just got to pull it out. All right. This is the Brow Gal Tanya Crooks Instant Brown Hair Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. Ooh. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Let's see. I'm loving this idea. blonde girl issues. I just had my brows tinted because, you know, I can and I have to. This is going to be fabulous. Thank you, the Brow Gal. What a great product. All right, now I have from Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio, Mykonos. From the name is a Greek island, Mykonos. All right. Ooh, look at this. This is a great color combination. And, oh my goodness, there's a brush that goes along with it. Thank you. That was very, very handy and useful to send a brush along with the eyeshadow. It's a very sturdy brush too. Whoops. There we go. Let's take a look. Let's use my fingers. Ooh, beautiful. Great combination. Oh, I love this. Love, love, love. This month's beauty box from Allure is fantastic. If you guys haven't gotten your subscription yet, oh my gosh, it is so, so worth it. $10 a month gets you all of the stuff. Wonderful. It's like Christmas every month. I hope that you liked what you saw. Please give me some thumbs up or leave me a comment. Until next time, it's been Suzanne. Love you all.